Quraib states that Hazrat Fazl radiyallahu anha, the daughter of Haris, dispatched me to Hazrat Muawiyah radiyallahu anhu in Syria. Quraib says, I reached Syria, did her task, and the Ramazan crescent appeared while I was still in Syria, and I sighted the moon on the Friday night. Then, in the end of Ramadan, I came to Medina Munawwara. When the moon was discussed, Hazrat Abdullah bin Abbas radiyallahu anhu asked me, when did you view the moon? I replied, we witnessed the moon on the Friday night. He inquired, did you yourself sight the moon? I replied, yes, and the other people as well sighted the moon, and they also kept the fast, and Hazrat Muawiyah radiyallahu anhu observed the fast too. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, but we sighted the moon on the Saturday night, and we shall complete the 30 fasts, or we sight the moon. I said, do not you rely on Hazrat Muawiyah's keeping fast and sighting the moon? Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam has commanded us the same. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2523.